Hello everyone, welcome again. This is your boy Aki with another latest way to make money with. If you want to get passive online income video or how to get money from home, please subscribe to the channel and turn on the notification bell, and also smash the like button and get ready for the video. If you have comments, suggestion or question, let me know in the comment section. Keep watching up to the end so you don't miss any steps.
Earn money for receiving text messages. By letting this application send text message to your phone, you allow to test and improve mobile operation. Simply put, you help mobile operator to work together and not each message you receive add more money to your MC Money Bank real money. Download the MC Money app on your Android phone, follow the registration process, verify your phone number, and you are all set. This app will send text SMS to your phone number from time to time. Every received text message adds money to your balance. Cash out anytime after you hit the threshold. Get a bonus for every friend that you refer to the MC Money app. Just install the app. The application sends you random text SMS message once in a while. You will earn money for each received text message from this application. This app is an Android only app because Android always used to process the result of the SMS text message the app sent to you, and that this application is extremely safe and secure for you to use. Your personal data is handled according to strict privacy rule. After you reach the threshold, a cash out and a donate button will appear in the start screen. Click on cash out and enter the email address that is connected to your PayPal account. The minimum amount for a payout differ per country. The app have a minimum amount because of the charge paid for the money transfer. You can find the minimum amount for a payout in the start screen of the MC Money app. They process all payment requests once in 4 weeks. On a Thursday, the app shows you the process data. The money will be visible in your PayPal account the day after the process date. I have placed a link in the description below. Click the link and you'll be redirected to this website. Click on download MC Money and again click install MC Money. Click OK to download this application. After you download the application, open the application and install on your phone. After you install the application, open it. You will be awarded 0.05 for signing up. You can skip the introduction. This app needs your phone number to send text message. Once you have reached the $1 minimum balance, you can cash out through PayPal. The main question that is asked is how this application works. Companies worldwide want to send important SMS message to customers like yourself. For example, banks, insurance company, and authorities. These kinds of SMS include verification code to complete your registration, just like the one you will be received from MC Money. Companies can send SMS message straight to your phone. It actually needs to travel over many different mobile networks until it finally arrives on your mobile. These SMS delivers connect with each other worldwide to make sure the SMS gets delivered to your phone using the fastest route. Unfortunately, there are some SMS delivers who use a low quality connection. The company pays the SMS deliverer to send a message, but that message is never delivered. The company has no way of knowing what happened to the message, and you will never receive the SMS of the message. This is how you can help improve the telecom industry by using MC Money. You help company by telling them how this text message were delivered to your phone. A company will send you a special message for testing, and MC Money automatically reports back the information about the delivery. When a company finds out their message is not reaching a phone, MC Money makes this visible to them. Now the company can remove the connection that's causing your message not to be delivered and make everyone more reachable. So after you skip the introduction, click on start now. After you click, it takes 3 steps to set up your account. Click next step, then accept the term and the condition. Click on the 2 square box and click OK, and allow MC Money to make calls and manage phone calls as well as SMS on your phone. Provide your phone number so this application send you a verification code. This step is critical for the operation of this application, and you should have to submit your active phone number. After you fill your phone number, enter the referral code that's shown on the screen. You will receive a one-time only bonus by filling in a referral code. After you fill the referral code, click next step and you will receive SMS containing a code to verify that this is your phone number. After you wait for 30 seconds or less, you will receive an SMS and enter the code that is 5 digits. This application provides a referral program that you can earn extra money. You can share your referral with your friend and the family. On occasion, you will receive text message from this application and they will add money to your MC Money balance. If you would like to receive as many as possible, you should have to ignore battery optimization for MC Money to allow background activity, but ignoring battery optimization may use more battery. As you can see, my balance is $0.025. That is a one-time bonus. As you can see, just $0.98 left before I reach the $1 minimum balance required for payout. Click on the 3 line. You can see an option to see your dashboard, news, earning, inbox, your account, your referral code. As you can see, the app will detect the text message since your last payout. This is the best way to earn passive online income.
So that's it everyone. Thank you for watching. I hope this video helped you how to earn. Don't forget to subscribe and like. Stay cool and have a great day.